Okay, I'm gonna start trying to do videos as much as I can, as much as possible, while I, in the background, try to learn how to do better with my videos. But here is today's project. I am working on this electric Ford Ranger. It's a factory-made Ford pickup. I've removed the battery pack. The battery pack is a hell of a nightmare. And let me tell you, nightmare to get out of this car. It's almost as bad as that daggone motorcycle over there. But anyways, it's really thick, tall pack. If I was good at videos, I'd link a picture. I'm gonna go back and make a complete video when I'm done. But anyways, so I've removed the pack and obviously removed the bed so I can come up with a different design for the batteries so that it'll be easy to maintenance. This is kind of an interesting setup. It's very unique out of all electric vehicles that I've worked on. The electric motor right here is on the rear drive in between the back tires, rear tires. Now, it's kind of neat because, you know, it's rear drive, which I like because most trucks are rear drive. I really don't know which is more efficient, but I like the fact that it's more of a normal pickup. This is the controller. It's kind of interesting to have it out in the weather where it can kind of get oxidized and stuff. I was kind of looking at what we could do to clean it. I will restore the truck later. First, I need to get it to where it's operational. What I'm doing right now is I have removed the battery plug connector and I am extending it right here temporarily. I will probably replace the cables because I don't like connectors in my leads, but for now I'm just going to be testing it and make sure everything is operational and charges well and all that kind of stuff. Excuse me. So I usually try to do colored wires too, and I go back and mark everything because I have known to screw up on occasion. So to be safe, I try to remind myself with colors as much as possible. But as of right now, I'm pulling this cable and extending it because I want to actually run the cables up into the bed into a toolbox. I actually have a toolbox over here that I'm going to be putting in it right there, where all the electronics that are in the vehicle will stay in the vehicle to where it'll be all nice and easy to access and safe, and you can lock it and so on. Here's the electrical components. Yeah, I know what you're thinking. What? Yeah. Well, one of my handy helpers that was to reassure me that he had every plug unhooked. Look at this doozy. Yeah, I'm lifting the car up and I hear this snap noise, and he broke the wires going to the worst possible plug. So that's going to be a fun project. I really appreciate that one. Anyway, so I got to put that inside the toolbox and construct something so that I can put it in the bed of the truck temporarily. I'm just going to set the batteries in the bed for now, just to make sure everything's good, and if there's an issue with one cell, I don't have to keep dropping the pack and all that. And eventually I will do the same as the S10. I don't know if I still have an S10 video posted or not, but anyways, the pack will go right there and be easy to access and all that eventually. But here's video number 1. Thanks for watching.